Engineers contact me all the time and they say, Anthony, why am I not achieving my goals? And so when I look at their goals, there's a clear-cut reason. They're not setting SMART goals. So in this week's Engineering Management Lessons video, I'm going to walk you through the SMART framework so that you can create goals that you can actually achieve and they will make an impact on your career. Let's do it. So I was recently contacted by an engineer and he listed 2 goals in the email and he said, Anthony, these are really important goals in my career. Do you agree with that? And am I on the right track? And these 2 goals were build confidence and build his interpersonal or soft skills. And so the first thing that I realized right away is that how is he going to know if he's progressing on these goals? How is he going to know if he's building confidence? How will he know if his soft skills are getting better? And by the way, which soft skills? So I responded to him and I walked him through the SMART framework, and I figured by shooting this video, I can share it with many engineers that are experiencing the same challenge. The SMART framework has been around for a long time, and it's an acronym and it stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. All of your goals should follow this framework. So for example, confidence. If you want to build your confidence, is that a specific goal? Somewhat. Is it measurable? Not really. Is it something that's achievable? I think you can build confidence, certainly. Is it relevant to what you're doing? Only you can answer that. And is it time-bound in any way? I mean, not really, unless you have something specific that you want to build confidence for. So it's not a very SMART goal. Now, you might modify it by saying, I want to build confidence to be able to give a 30-minute lunch and learn in front of my colleagues. Okay, now, is that goal specific? Absolutely. You want to muster up enough confidence to get up in front of your colleagues. Is it measurable? Of course it is. You're either going to do it and make that presentation or not. Is it achievable? It's absolutely achievable. We know people make these kinds of presentations in engineering firms every single day. Is it relevant to your career? Again, that's up to you, but most of the time, building confidence and speaking effectively in public is relevant to helping engineers succeed. So I would say most likely yes. And is it time-bound? Well, it can be time-bound if you commit to giving this presentation on a certain day or time. Now you've really put the SMART process in place to help you build your confidence, and it'll be a much clearer path ahead. So please, when you're setting goals, you may go through a brainstorming process first and create these goals. This is what we help engineers do in our goal setting course, but you also have to then go through a second step and make sure that they are SMART. And again, the other goal that I mentioned earlier, building interpersonal or soft skills, it can also be a critical goal for career development. But again, that alone is not SMART. Select one of your soft skills specifically and put it up against a real tangible item, like a presentation, or like a specific project or conversation that you need to have with a client or another executive. By doing this and making your goals SMART, you will see much more progress in your engineering career. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope you're going to use the SMART framework with your goals, and please consider subscribing to our channel here for our weekly videos where we help engineers become better managers and leaders. I'll see you next week.